Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today, we're doing the install on a 2023 Can-Am Defender Limited. This is the basic series, the UTV seat covers basic series that we're doing today. And as you can see, I already have it installed, but I'm gonna walk through a few little tips as you're doing the install. The first one is on the backrest. As you can see, the backrest, they taper down. So this is to get this set up right, it's gonna be skinnier at the bottom. And these seats that we're doing today, this is the large bolstered seats, as you can see. So again, it tapers down here, so it's gonna be skinnier at the bottom. This insert's skinnier at the bottom, gets a little wider at the top. Okay, that's a nice tip for you there. Also, this passenger backrest on Can-Am Defenders can remove. Also, if you have a rear seat, that can also remove. So you can see this is pulled off right here. There's gonna be a single piece of Velcro around the passenger backrest. The driver backrest won't have that same thing, and then everything has elastics. All of the covers will have these elastics. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna stretch these over, pull them over like this, and then cap that elastic over. Then for this passenger, you're gonna just pull this Velcro nice and tight, get that on, and then for the passenger side, again, you hook that down right there, and then push that back in like that. Now for the bottom, passenger bottom, this also had elastics right here. So pretty simple. Again, you just take that elastic off, okay? And it just pulls over on top like this right here, okay? Main thing to identify the covers, I've noticed, is the passenger side did not have, the big difference was that on the driver's side, it's gonna have these little, what do you even call these? Kind of a drawstring right here. This drawstring is gonna be on both the bottom and the backrest, have these drawstrings right here, okay? So these drawstrings just help tighten up that cover on the driver's side, because the driver's side it's not as easy to get to the back side of the seat. This one doesn't lift up and this doesn't pull off. So because of that, there's the drawstrings on the driver's side. So these are gonna be your driver covers over here. And what you'll do is, again, there's elastic, no Velcro. It's just gonna be an elastic piece that pulls over. So you can see I kind of pull this back right here. And this just stretches over right here and pulls on like that. And then these drawstrings, what you'll do is out of the box, these drawstrings are gonna come like this. It's gonna be hooked through one. What you're gonna wanna do is take the other side. You're gonna take this drawstring and put it through both grommets. There's two grommets down here, okay? So there's one right here and one right here. You're gonna take that drawstring, put it through both grommets. So then when you tighten this up, it's gonna tighten the space between those two grommets. And what you'll do is push down right here, push this string through like that right there, and then tighten that down like that. That just kind of helps keep that back secured on a little bit more. Not completely necessary, but because the elastic does the majority of the job to hold this cover on, but that's just a little extra piece right there. Same thing for this backrest, and we put this around the around the back side of this pole right here, okay? So we actually hooked that around and then took that drawstring and tightened it up like that right there, and then you can just kind of tuck that underneath right there like that. So that's a couple little install tips. The other thing I want to show you is this piece back here, okay? So this is called the 20 section backrest. Little unique right here. So come in tight right here and I'll show you this. What you're going to want to do is take this pin out right here like this. So you're going to remove that pin, and what you'll do is do that on both sides like this right here. You take those pins out. That takes the 20 section off. On the premium series seat covers, you don't have to do this same method, but the basic series, this is how they install right here. And there's these little cutouts right here. So you can see there's the cutouts right here. And so that's the elastic's just gonna pull over, but then around this hinge portion, this is gonna pop over that right there. And then you can put that in there and then put your pins back in and lock that back in for your 20 section right there. So that concludes a few tips there on the install for the basic series on the Can-Am Defender that has the large bolstered seats. Rear seat would install the same if you have a Max, the Can-Am Defender Max. And feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Happy to help. Again, coversandcamo.com.